In this video, we're going to be using the FoxyProxy Firefox extension with Burp Suite. Remember, this is for cybersecurity training and should never be used out on the public internet. The first place you want to be is to search for the FoxyProxy Firefox extension on Google. Click on the first link, and it will take you to the site where you can add the extension to Firefox. Mine is already installed, so it says Remove. If you click on the extensions icon, it shows the Foxy config box. If you click back on the extension and go to Options, then click past the pop-up message, you are presented with a bunch of options. Click on the Proxies tab and click Add. There are some settings here that we have to mimic from Burp Suite to get this working. You can watch my Burp Suite video here, if you haven't already. To get Burp Suite up and running, click on the top left Kali icon and type Burp in the search field. Start Burp Suite. It will take a little time to load, so be patient and the interface will appear eventually. Click the Next button and move on, and then start Burp. The interface appears, and as we're looking for the proxy settings, head immediately to the Proxy tab. There is a gear icon with proxy settings next to it. Click on that and you will be presented with the listeners, and in this case, it is the loopback address of your laptop and port 8080. Heading back to the browser, we are going to configure the proxy settings here. Click Add and give your proxy a name. I called it HTTP Burp. For the host name and port settings, we have to use the ones previously seen in Burp Suite itself. They are 127.0.0.1 with a port value of 8080. Save those settings. Head back to the extension drop-down and turn on your FoxyProxy. On Burp Suite, we now need to turn on the intercept setting, so all web traffic passes through it. The issue with this is, once you visit a website, you are presented with a certificate warning. But that is because we need to install the Burp Suite certificate in the browser. I'll show you how. The download and install of the certificate is relatively easy. Type http:///Burp Suite, and it will take you to a page where you can download the certificate on the top right. As you can see, it is now in the Downloads folder. Within the browser settings on Firefox, head over to the Privacy and Security menu on the left. Just over halfway down this page, when you scroll, is the Certificate section. Click the View Certificates button, and it will take you straight to all of the current authorities that allow you to surf securely. Click Import, head to your Downloads folder, and click Open on the CA Cert file. A box pops up, and you are going to trust this certificate for websites and emails. Okay, out of that, and you are ready to surf. To test intercepting web traffic, visit any site you are hosting. I have a local Metasploitable site hosted, so I visit that. The Burp intercept setting is turned on. When you visit any page, you have to click the forward button to see the resulting GET request. If I now click on a link, I have to forward that again to see the request. It then takes me to the next page. A useful tab is the HTTP history, where I can see all of the previous requests. I can view everything I need to be able to inspect web traffic, including GET requests and headers. Thanks for joining G-Man on this tutorial today. It will be a very useful technique on your cyber journey. So like, share, and subscribe, and stay and watch some videos and playlists. See you again next time.